Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. I did a trade on USD JPY for 109.86 for 8 o'clock p.m. Right now it's 7:05, as y'all can see what time it is. Counts at 31,000. I know I haven't did a video in a while, but I did have some grab some success. I just didn't record it. But right now I'm start this count at 31,000 for today, as of today. In the trade right now, I'm winning this trade. So let's take a look at the chart right now. So it's 109.81. So it's because we got nadex's platform is having difficulty right now. Right now, the indicative is not moving. It's stuck on 109.75. But I still make the trade because I know it's still a good trade. So right now we're gonna see if this thing functions right and shows, showing my proper log, my P&L, which could be pretty accurate. But as far as the indicative, is not showing the indicative price right now. You see it's still stuck right here as well. So we hope that nadex work out their glitches right now pretty soon, so the platform gonna be operating at full capacity and full functionality. But right now we got 52 minutes left on this trade, so we're not gonna make a big deal about this red right now. So I'll get back with you guys in just a moment. Other Jimmy's back in here. Trade about to be over. Take a look at the chart. Take a look at the chart real quick. Y'all see what the price is at 109.82 right now. So this trade should win in the next 15 seconds, even though you can't see it on the indicative index. So on the indicative index. So I'm up right now, so this account balance should move. And I'm also I did another trade at the same price. Excuse me, man. I was on the phone with my homeboy from out of town. He out of town. This shit working. Had to holler at him real quick about some more personal stuff. But the trade is over. I'll get back with you guys on the other trade. Yeah, you all good, man. Yo, guys, I'm back. We're under a minute right now. Market's at 109.79 right now. Things are going pretty well. As you can see, the trade is going pretty great. I got in at 109.86 up here on the other trade. Right now, I'm winning. One thing is, this thing ain't showing my profits where it's supposed to be showing, because the last trade was a victory, and this thing, as you can see, it still hasn't closed out and settled out that profit. So the platform is still acting crazy, but we'll see if they can get this thing corrected, and I can have my account balance saying, reflected on the trades I won. But y'all can see this trade, same trade, just kind of, went out a little longer. I knew the market was going to end up taking a fall, and it did, and boom. All right, we'll see if these positions settle, because this other position haven't settled yet. So I don't know why it didn't, but it's crazy. But we'll see. I have to get on the phone with nadex and see whether they can get this straightened out. But Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.